A human rights activist and lawyer, Adeyanju, on Saturday night knocked the ex-presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP, Peter Obi, and his supporters popularly called Obidients over attack on the former presidential candidate of African Action Congress, AAC, Omoyele Sowore, in a statement signed by Adeyanju and made available to Vanguard. It said the attacks to disable Sowore's Facebook page are undemocratic and meant to silence opposing voices. It is disappointing that Peter Obi's supporters, known as the Obidients group, gang up to report Omoyele Sowore's Facebook page simply because it keeps speaking the truth about their candidate. This shameful move led to the disabling of Sowore's page. This is not democracy. If you truly want a better Nigeria, you don't silence opposing voices, it said. Adeyanju recounted Obi's time as Anambra governor, saying it was full of failures. Doctors went on strike, education suffered, and he refused to hold local government elections. The killing of massive members under his watch remained unresolved, yet his supporters worked hard to paint him as a saint. Adeyanju said. He moved from APGA to PDP, where he ran with Atiku, then left to Labour Party, showing he has no clear ideology. Adeyanju concluded. They affirmed that Sowore has always stood for truth and justice. This attack by Obedient supporters, supported and sanctioned by Peter Obi himself, are aimed to hide the truth. However, he added that nobody hates Peter Obi. What we oppose are the lies and the image washing by his followers. We won't let politics become a cult. Nigeria deserves truth and accountability. Deji concluded his statement. While this has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you real-time news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.